Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kayi. Today I'm sharing another Togolese street food recipe with you. We call this in Togo Gaou. It's called Akara in Nigeria, Kose in Ghana. Our star ingredient today is black-eyed beans, and you can see I have the beans peeled already. You can buy in the store like this. It's going to make life easier for you. I have also a piece of ginger, red onion, spring onions, and also some peppers. I will be using red pepper 1.5, and I will be using the green one as well, roughly like half of it. Now it's time to cut my fresh ingredients, and I will be adding all of them to the beans in the blender later, and make sure I blend everything very smoothly. I have some of the ingredients that are frozen, so I'm going to add them as well. If you're new here, you are very welcome. I share quick and easy recipes here. Now all the ingredients are ready, and I'm going to add them in the blender. Add about 350 milliliter of water, and I will be adding as well about 2 tablespoons of salt, and make sure everything is blended very smoothly. Don't forget to add as well Scotch bonnet, but today I'm introducing this to my daughter, and I don't want it to be too spicy for her. So in Togo, what we do, you can just blend your Scotch bonnet and onions on the side and use that as chili sauce to pair the gaou with. I'm going in now with the oil. Heat it up 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat, so the gaou is cooked perfectly well and is not burned on the outside. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if it's your first time coming across my channel and you don't want to miss out on my new recipes, kindly subscribe. After 6-7 minutes, once you notice it's getting the golden color, you know that it's time for you to flip the other side and fry it as well. And as you can see, we are getting there, and our gaou is ready now. I'm going to lay it rest here so the kitchen roll can soak all the excess oil properly, and I will be enjoying this later. If you're enjoying the recipe as well, let me know in the comment section by dropping the name of this recipe in your country. I would love to know what the recipe is called. It's time to go in now with the second batches, and our gaou will be all ready to enjoy. Thanks to my returning subscribers for always checking my videos and sharing. Truly appreciate each and every one of you. As you guys can see, the second batches is almost ready. Really enjoyed sharing this recipe with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the recipe as well, and you're going to give it a try. There you have it. Our gaou is ready. In Togo, we pair this with cocoa, we pair it with ablo, which is also called abolo, with some fried fish. So that is how we enjoy gaou in Togo. And let me show you how it looks. You can see it's very fluffy on the inside. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Au revoir.